Yo, what's up mga chong? So nyan, January 25, gagana po ng binibining kulakling digdiyo, syempre sa kulakling. So kabali ang sa tuyang, one and only Chang. So igod ang mga suri simsuit, syempre si Chang lang nanonood dun ta. Let's G! Ay! Madya, tabakan mo ko. Daranta niyo. Yan ang sumuwi yung service, si Boss Korak. So yan. Hey, alalay for today's video. Amay pa lang talagang kadakol lang para dalan.
2025 sa ating mga bisita.
Gayon!
Representing the diversified people of my community, Municipality of Tagay! From the home of what people as in Magallanes, Municipality of Taguig. And I'm believe you can and you're halfway there. This is Sheila Marinas, 22, proud and loud to represent the municipality of Tagay. 23, Tagay, Camarines. Let's get loud.
Oh, ngangao na nga nyo!
Graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education, majoring in English at Central University of Agriculture de la Boca, Obrador, Camarines. Professional teacher, taking a high group, national security, 24. Family number 6, Sheila May Marinas, Obrador, Camarines. Sheila is 22 years old, standard stands 5'6", and measures 34, 27, and 38. At the Polytechnic University, I'm on fire.
Be, mainom kami. Mainom.
MG Garcia. Number 6.
Top 5.
Hello, Miss Candidate number 6, how are you?
Fine, pero kinakabahan pa at the same time.
See, okay, so good luck. Here's my question. In today's society, what role do women play in shaping the future?
Can you please repeat po?
Sure. In today's society, what role do women play in shaping the future?
So thank you for that very nice question. Well, as a woman of representation, I truly believe that the biggest role of women today is that to empower other women also. As a woman who is advocating body diversity and promoting positivity, I always respect other women and believe in their own potential. I truly believe that by uplifting other women, I can lift up not just myself, but the women community in my community. Thank you.
This year's Binibini Mulakling 2025 fourth runner-up is Binibini number 3.
Kabado! Kabado!
Third runner-up is Binibini number 1. Second runner-up is Binibini number
No! No!
Binibini number
No!
Binibini number 6.